time travel folks. Here's a walkthrough of room 910, the Holiday Inn at the Port of Miami. So you have a nice view out the window that we'll check out in a second. You got a closet here that is borderline a walk-in closet. So for like before a cruise such as we are, lots of room. And then you've got just a regular bathroom. The whole place here is a little bit dated, but we've tried to update it. I think it's sometimes a little beat up. Nothing special. I mean, it's not like it's a great place to stay for the night before you go on a cruise. So this room just has a king-size bed, the normal nightstands. It's got a nice big mini fridge, and then a little bit of a view. So check out our videos. We're gonna do a walkthrough of the hotel, but looks like we'll be able to see our ship in the morning, and we'll check out Bayside later. So there you go. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.